Hi, I'm Barbara. In this video, I'll show you how to attach electronics to a click without a slide. We recommend using a power driver with a number 1 Phillips head bit. Grab 4 tubular standoffs and the self-tapping screws from the hardware packet that came with your kit. Then take a good look at the click itself. There are 2 corners that you do not want to put screws into. These are the ones with the springs. The other 2 corners are fine. If you glue or screw into the spring corners, you could immobilize the springs, which will limit the click's functionality. Now place the tubular standoffs on the click in approximately the locations where they're needed. Drop the self-tapping screws into the mounting holes in your electronics. You might recognize this as a beagle bone, but you can use this technique with any printed circuit board that has mounting holes. Just be sure to choose the right size click. This next step is a bit awkward, so don't worry if it takes you more than one try. Gently align the screws with the pre-placed standoffs and set the board down on the click. And again, you can put screws close to the spring corners, but not into them. 3 screws are plenty to secure your electronics if you need to leave one out. Do your best to square up the electronics on the click. You'll be happier with the way it looks. Now go ahead and tighten the screws. Your electronics are ready to use on your workbench base.